The AutoCAD Info Center is located in the top right part of your AutoCAD screen. And one of the things you can do is locate your AutoCAD help screens from the Info Center. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. I'm in the AutoCAD electrical help screen. I'm looking at the circle command. You can see that there. And what I'm looking at is how to use my circles in an AutoCAD drawing. Now, the help screens are web-based. They are internet-based. So you do need to have an internet connection to gain access to them. However, you can download them locally from the Autodesk website and install them locally on your laptop or your computer if you do not have permanent internet access. So I'll close the help screen now, and the Info Center is up here on the top right part of your AutoCAD screen. It's all these icons right here. Now, I've got a general Info Center drawing open. We're not actually going to use the drawing, but what it does is it just means you've got a current drawing open while you're working with the Info Center. You'll see why in a moment when we look at Autodesk 360. Now, to get that help screen up, that circle help screen, I typed in circle here, and I clicked on this binocular icon, and it searches those results in the help screens online for you. So let's look now at this funny little sort of head and shoulder icon. This is Autodesk 360. Now, you'll notice I'm already logged in because it's blue. If you've got a little head and shoulder icon and it's white, it normally means that you're not logged in. Now, because I'm logged in, I can click here and I can synchronize my settings in my drawings with the cloud. Autodesk 360 gives me cloud-based storage space, so I can store my drawings online if I want to. I've also got my online options, and I can go straight to Autodesk 360 if I want to. I can sign out and there's my account details. I can go in and edit my account details if I wish. Now, I'm not going to sign out because obviously I want it online. I want to be able to use 360 while I'm using AutoCAD Electrical. Now, what you can do as well is you can go to the Autodesk 360 tab, which is right here on the ribbon. And I can look at all my settings here for 360 as well. So it's actually built into the product. And what you can do is you can collaborate and share documents, as I've mentioned previously. So that's Autodesk 360 on the ribbon. I've also got Autodesk 360 on the Info Center up here. Now, the next icon along is this funny little X, which stands for Autodesk Exchange. Autodesk Exchange is a community environment where if I click on it, it'll bring up a browser. And I'm now in my AutoCAD Electrical Exchange Apps page. Now, I haven't actually signed in. You can sign in, and again, it uses your Autodesk ID that you use when you log into your Autodesk 360 account. You use the same ID to log into all of these different tools that Autodesk provide. So you can go in here and it's basically a community where you can talk to other people and, as it says, exchange information about AutoCAD Electrical. What I'll do is I'll just minimize that now and we'll move along to the next one here, Stay Connected. Now this is product updates and you can connect with the AutoCAD community online. So if I click on the down arrow there, I can connect with AutoCAD. The product is up to date right now, so I've got all my updates in place. I can go to something like AutoCAD on Facebook and again load up my browser and there's the AutoCAD Facebook page. And you can see that there are over 1 million likes for AutoCAD. In fact, we're closer to 1.5 million. Over 13,000 people talking about this online on Facebook right now. Facebook is a massive community. Get online and like the AutoCAD page. You can add your own updates. Notice there's things like video tips, face casts, and also photographs of magazine articles, tools, tips and tricks as well. So you can use all of this information as post-training. It's excellent and very, very easy to use. I'll just minimize that now. Now, last but not least, you've got your help screens here. So if I click on the down arrow, you can see things like electrical help topics. I've also got Autodesk Vault installed, so I can look at Vault. I've got learning tools, which are things like learning resources. Remember the AutoCAD welcome screen where you had the videos and things showing up on the Learn section? That's what you go to there. And obviously you can click there and go straight to the welcome screen if you wish. You've got additional resources like the Knowledge Base, the Online Developer Center, Autodesk User Group International, Augi. You can join the worldwide Autodesk community if you wish at augi.com, augi.com. You can send feedback back to Autodesk if you wish. You can join the customer involvement program and so on. So there's a whole load of things on that Info Center that connect you to the community. They allow you to talk to other users and other people that might actually be able to help you with AutoCAD Electrical. So don't just dismiss the InfoCenter. It's a very useful tool. Make sure you've got your Autodesk ID set up so that you can utilize Autodesk 360. You can store your electrical drawings in the cloud and use them somewhere else where you might log in